All right, this is one of my favorite tips when I'm creating music and doing sound design. It's using the RC-20. And the things I like using with it the most are the wobble effect. So here I've got it turned on. Normally, this Wow Flutter slider will be in the middle when you start it off. I like going all the way to the left to the Wow side, and then turning the rate down for both Wow and Flutter. I'll put the stereo on, I'll have the mix all the way up, and then I'll introduce a little bit of the wobble down here. On this instance, I have it at 17%. And then I also like using the distortion on the air setting, and then bringing it up to taste. So here I have it on a guitar track. This is bypassed. And if I put it on, you can hear that it spreads out this mono guitar track and adds a bit of movements and creates a stereo effect. And that is one of my favorite tips to share with you.